Hello, seniors. Before we begin, I want you to try something with me. It won't take more than a few seconds. Wherever you are sitting right now, on a sofa, a dining chair, maybe even your bed, cross your arms over your chest. Don't use your hands. Now try to stand up. Pause for a moment. What happened? Did your body rock forward automatically like it was searching for momentum? Did one hand fly out toward the armrest without you even thinking about it? Or did you hesitate just a second longer than you expected? If any of that felt familiar, I want you to listen carefully, because what you just felt is not laziness, and it's not just getting older. I see this moment every single day in people over 60. It's quiet, it doesn't hurt, and because of that, it's easy to ignore. But it's one of the earliest warning signs that the muscles in your legs, the muscles designed to carry your body through life, are starting to lose their strength. Today, it's the armrest. Tomorrow, it's a cane, just to be safe. And a little further down the road, fear quietly moves in. Fear of falling, fear of stepping outside, fear of doing the things you once did without thinking, and suddenly, without ever choosing it, people find themselves trapped inside their own homes. Now here's the part I want you to hear clearly. This decline is not inevitable. And it does not take a year to reverse the direction. It starts today, right now. In this session, I'm going to guide you through a simple but powerful routine designed to wake up the deep support muscles in your legs, the muscles that give you stability, confidence, and control with every step you take. No gym, no machines, no weights. But I need you to stay with me until the very end because most people over 60 make one critical mistake. They exercise, but they ignore one essential nutritional factor. Without it, even the best exercises can slowly wear down your joints instead of strengthening your body. I'll explain that missing piece later. Skip it, and much of your effort today will be wasted. Before we strengthen anything, we must prepare the body properly. Think about a car on a freezing winter morning. You don't start the engine and immediately race down the highway. You let it warm up. You let the oil circulate. Your joints work the same way. So let's begin by gently lubricating them. Stand tall with your feet together. If balance is a concern, lightly rest your hands on your knees. Not to lean, just to steady yourself. Now bend your knees slightly. Just a soft dip. Keep your heels on the floor if you can, or allow them to lift naturally if that feels better. Imagine your knees are holding a pencil and you're drawing a slow circle on the ground. We'll make 10 gentle circles in one direction. Move slowly. There's no rush here. Don't force the movement. Stay within what feels comfortable. If you hear a little clicking or popping, don't panic. As long as there's no pain, that sound is usually just gas releasing inside the joint, a normal process. Breathe deeply. Keep the motion smooth and fluid. Picture a thin layer of natural oil coating and protecting your cartilage with every circle. Keep your back relatively flat. Avoid jerky movements. Good. Now pause, take a breath, and reverse the direction. Excellent. For the next warm-up, I want you comfortable. You can lie on a mat, a carpet, or even right on your bed if you're doing this first thing in the morning. This movement focuses on your calves and ankles, and this is far more important than most people realize. Your calf muscles act like a pump, helping push blood back up toward your heart. When they weaken, circulation suffers, balance suffers, endurance suffers. Lie on your back, legs straight, arms relaxed at your sides. Bring all your attention to your feet. Imagine you're sitting in a car. One foot presses the gas pedal, pointing the toes away. At the same time, the other foot pulls back, toes coming toward you. Then, switch. This is not a stretch, it's a mechanical action. Press, release, press, release. Let's find a steady rhythm together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Smooth, controlled, no forcing. You should feel the calf muscle tighten, then relax. That's the pump working. That's circulation returning. Keep breathing. If you feel a gentle warmth or tingling in your lower legs, that's a good sign. Fresh, oxygen-rich blood is moving in. Now, relax. Let your feet fall naturally. Wiggle your toes. You're ready to work. Now that the calves are warm, it's time to strengthen them. Many people believe muscle can only be built with heavy gym equipment. That simply isn't true. Your body already provides all the resistance you need. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet flat, shoulder width apart, knees bent at about 90 degrees. Here's the key detail most people miss. Lean your upper body slightly forward. Rest your hands or forearms on your thighs just above the knees. By leaning forward, you've added the weight of your torso onto your legs. You've just created your own resistance machine. From here, lift your heels as high as you can, pressing into your toes. Squeeze the calf muscle at the top, hold for a brief moment, then lower slowly. We'll aim for 12 repetitions. Lift, squeeze, slowly lower, no bouncing. Control the movement. Breathe out as you lift. Breathe in as you lower. You may start to feel a gentle burn. That's the muscle waking up, relearning its job. Rest for a moment if needed. Rub your calves. Now, let's talk about cramps, because I know some of you worry about them. If you've ever been jolted awake at night by a painful calf cramp, you're not alone. 3 things matter here. First, hydration with electrolytes. Plain water isn't always enough as we age. A small pinch of sea salt or potassium-rich foods like bananas help muscles communicate properly. Second, magnesium. Many older adults are deficient. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation. A supplement or topical magnesium oil before bed can dramatically reduce night cramps. Always check with your healthcare provider first. Third, if a cramp hits during exercise, stop immediately. Straighten the leg and pull your toes toward your nose. This tells the muscle to release. Before we continue, if this is helping you so far, consider tapping the like button. It helps this reach others who are quietly struggling in the same way. Now stand up slowly. We'll move to the wall. Stand about 2 feet away. Place your palms flat at eye level. Arms straight but not locked. Keeping your legs mostly straight, push your hips back. Let your chest lower and your gaze drop toward the floor. Your body forms a hinge. Back flat, neck neutral. You should feel tension along the back of your legs. Now squeeze your glutes and stand tall, rising slightly onto your toes at the top. We'll do 8 to 10 controlled repetitions. This movement builds the strength you need for stairs, curbs, and hills. Now step back slightly, lean into the wall, and lift one knee toward your chest. Hold briefly. Lower slowly. Switch sides. Move like you're walking. Steady. Controlled. Next, we add rotation. Lift the knee diagonally toward the opposite shoulder. This trains the muscles that prevent falls. Stand tall, don't slouch. Now we return to the back of the legs with standing hamstring curls. Hold a chair for balance. Shift weight onto one leg. Bend the opposite knee, pulling the heel toward your body. Move slowly. Control the descent. Watch your posture. No leaning, no swinging. These muscles help prevent tripping. Our final movement challenges coordination and balance. Stand near support. Lift one knee, clap once beneath the thigh, and lower with control. Look forward. Breathe. Move deliberately. Now, remember what I promised earlier, the missing piece. Exercise is about 70% of the equation. Nutrition is the remaining 30%. As we age, our bodies become less responsive to protein. This is called anabolic resistance. It means older adults need more protein, not less, to maintain muscle. Most experts recommend around 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, roughly 90 to 100 grams for many adults. Protein powders can help, but whole foods work beautifully too. Eggs, Greek yogurt, fish like salmon or tuna, lean poultry, and don't forget vitamin D. Without it, muscles remain weak no matter how much you exercise. Here's the plan. Do this routine 3 times a week, rest between sessions, fuel your body properly. In 2 weeks, standing up will feel easier. In a month, stairs won't intimidate you. In 3 months, your walk will feel strong and confident again. Save this routine. Subscribe if you want more guidance. And thank yourself, because taking care of your body today protects your independence tomorrow. Stay strong, keep moving. I'll see you next time.